Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my next video on partial differentiation. Let us solve the problem. If capital V is equals to function of u and v, where u is equal to x square plus y square and small v is equal to 2xy, means here both u and v are functions of two independent variable x and y, and then prove that x into dou v by dou x minus y into dou v by dou y is equal to 2 times u square minus v square, that bracket has to 1 by 2 into dou v by dou u. And therefore, to prove this, check the given problem. Here v is a function of u and v. That capital V is the function of two independent variables u and small v, and that u and v are again a function of another two independent variable x and y, small x and y. Therefore, it is function of function with two variables each. And whenever we have such type of condition or problem, it becomes a problem of change of independent variable. Therefore, we have to differentiate with respect to x. That direct differentiation is not possible here, and therefore to obtain that derivative of that v with respect to x, with the help of this tree diagram, we can write dou v by dou x as direct differentiation is not possible. How to differentiate it? We have to differentiate v first with respect to u and then u with respect to x, as it is function of function. And then when we differentiate with respect to u, as it is function of two independent variables u and v, derivative must be partial derivative, and therefore it is dou v by dou u. Chain rule. U is a function of x, therefore differentiating that u with respect to x, and again that derivative is also partial derivative, as it is function of two independent variable. Then plus, we can differentiate v with respect to x by differentiating v with respect to small v, and chain rule, differentiating that v with respect to x this result is called as result for change of independent variable. And therefore, to obtain it, dou v by dou u, as v is not provided, we can't obtain that value. We keep that term as it is. Then dou u by dou x, differentiating u with respect to x partially, keeping y constant. तो x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव होता है 2x, y स्क्वायर का 0, प्लस dou v by dou small v, dou v small, and dou v by dou x. Differentiate this v with respect to x, again keeping y constant. तो यहाँ पे 2 constant है outside, y constant outside, and x का derivative 1. Therefore, we get that term as 2y, and we call this as equation 1. Okay. Then that dou v by dou x is multiplied by x. Therefore, performing that step, multiplying by x, we get x dou v by dou x, multiplying by x on right hand side also, we get 2x into x, it becomes 2x square dou v by dou u plus 2xy dou v by dou v small. We call this as equation A. Here I have completed the calculation of first part, half part. I have obtained the value of x dou v by dou x. Then we can differentiate v with respect to y also, as it is function of y, and therefore from tree diagram dou v by dou y is equal to, again direct differentiation is not possible because it is not directly function of y, it is function of function, therefore applying chain rule. To find partial derivative of dou v by dou y, we differentiate that v first with respect to u, dou v by dou u, into chain rule, differentiation of u with respect to y, dou u by dou y, plus differentiating v with respect to small v, and then v with respect to y, we get this result. Then finding the values, dou v by dou u we keep as it is. Derivative of dou u by dou y, keeping x constant, तो x square का 0, y square का डेरिवेटिव होगा 2y, plus dou v by dou v as it is, and differentiation of this v with respect to y, keeping x constant, means 2x become a constant term, we take outside, and y का derivative 1, therefore we get 2x. And then as per the required, we have to multiply it by y. तो y से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं इक्वेशन 2 को, we get y dou v by dou y as it is 2y into y, it becomes 2y square dou v by dou u, and plus 2xy dou v by dou v small v, and we call this as equation B. Equation A minus equation B. B को subtract करना है from equation A, and therefore we get x dou v by dou x, left hand side subtraction, minus y dou v by dou y is equals to this minus this. Okay, I will write down completely. It is 2 into, we can take 2 common, or 2x square dou v by dou u plus 2xy dou v by small dou v minus 2y square dou v by dou u plus 2xy dou v by dou v. So here it is plus 2xy dou v by dou v and minus 2xy dou v by dou v get cancelled, and we get a required result as dou v by dou u we can take common, and 2 also we can take common, therefore it is 2 times x square minus y square into dou v by dou u. We call this equation 3. In the result we have, yes, 2 we get x square minus y square. Instead of that we want it has u square minus v square raised to 1 by 2 into dou v by dou u. Means we are getting this term, we are getting this term. Only we have to convert that x square minus y square as u square minus v square that raised to 1 by 2. So to convert this into that, we perform the calculation of u square minus v square separately. Therefore, performing the calculation of u square minus v square, u is x square plus y square and its square minus v square means 2xy its square, and then expanding that by a plus b whole square. इसको एक्सपांड करते हैं बाय ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर फार्मूला. एक्सपांशन होता है ए स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर. एज पर दैट it is x raised to 4, twice ab means 2x square y square plus b square means y raised to 4 minus इसका स्क्वायर 2xy का स्क्वायर होता है 4x square y square, and therefore we get it is x raised to 4 2x square y square minus 4 times x square y square. Addition of this 2 is minus 2 times x square y square and plus y raised to 4. It is perfect square of x square minus y square ka whole square. Therefore, if you expand it once again, we get x raised to 4 minus 2ab means 2x square y square and plus b square means y raised to 4. And then transferring this to other side, taking square root. On both sides, we get therefore u square minus v square raised to 1 by 2 as square root of this, that 2 and that 1 by 2 get cancelled, we get only x square minus y square. Equation number 4th. Then we replace the value of x square minus y square as u square minus v square raised to 1 by 2 in equation 3. So equation 3 becomes x dou v by dou x minus y dou v by dou y is equal to 2 times x square minus y square. The value of that x square minus y square is u square minus v square raised to 1 by 2 into that dou v by dou u as it is. Hence proved. We get the required result. Okay. Very simple problem. Only important one is that tree diagram. आपको प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करना आना चाहिए कि वेदर इट इज प्रॉब्लम ऑफ partial differentiation or whether it is problem of Euler's theorem or whether it is a problem of change of independent variable or problem of total derivative. तो वो कैसा पता करना है? Here by observing that term carefully. V, capital V is given as a function of two independent variable and that u and v are again a function of another two independent variable x and y. We get such type of tree diagram. इस tree diagram से पता लगता है कि it is a problem of change of independent variable. u v को change कर रहे in terms of x and y और x and y को change कर रहे in terms of u and v. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड फाइंड आउट करना है, राइट हैंड साइड फाइंड आउट करना है. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन द ट्री डायग्राम. तो v को डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, वी गेट डो v by डो x, and that term appears on the left hand side. Means हमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कैलकुलेट करना है एंड फॉर दैट वी परफॉर्म द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ डो वी बाय डो एक्स. इसको फिर x से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, वी गेट दैट इक्वेशन ए. फिर v को विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y करते हैं और उसको y से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर जो नया इक्वेशन मिलता है दैट इज इक्वेशन b. एंड देन वी टेक अ सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ दैट टू इक्वेशन, दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं to get the required. But required result में directly we are not getting this term u square minus v square raised to half. Therefore, we convert this result in terms of x and y. उसके लिए उसको square करते हैं and then subtract to get the required result. In my next video, I will discuss the problem on Jacobian, means unit number 3rd, application of partial differentiation. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it as well as subscribe to my channel to get new updates. अब तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्द से जल्द चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो so that you will get the updates or new updates or new videos. Thank you very much.